Finding a formula for content creation is a long, complex process. Once you have a standard, being able to duplicate and edit content for repurposing becomes key. This feature introduces that option to the course's builder, allowing you to instantly clone lessons, quizzes, and assignments. Let's check how to use it. Navigate to the course's products tab inside the membership section and access your desired product. Hover over the lesson, quiz, or assignment, then click the two-square icon next to it. Alternatively, if you're inside the module, click the three-dot icon to open the options and select Clone. Click Clone to confirm your decision. This feature speeds up course creation, eliminating repetitive configuration while keeping content consistent for easy reuse of structures across modules. Original content remains the same, allowing you to edit the clone with confidence. This enhancement allows instant cloning of your modules, including all associated content and assets, significantly reducing repetitive setup during course creation and helping you create course items quickly and efficiently. We hope you enjoy it.